I have slogged all these years in order to make the Indian community understand that there is opportunities for them to come up in life. If they don't try it, if they don't do it, I don't think that they can do it. The major one that the Indian community has all this while undergone is modernization of their mind. Mind modernization, one. Thinking of the future, number two. Thinking of educating their children to see that they become better than the parents. And also saving money that they have. And to change their lifestyle and become like other Malaysians. My immediate plan, maybe for the next few days, I don't play golf. But I will sit down and organize my MIED office because I'm still the chairman of MIED. And I have to shift the office from MIC to my new job. It's not a new job, but a job that I've been holding all this while. And whenever if Dato Panlivelu or Dato Subramaniam calls for any help, I will be there to help them. That's the most I can say at the moment. But in any case, I must tell you that in the last 3 months, I've been going out of the country, particularly to India, and I put up a tie between Plus and Naga Arjuna company, which is going to compete for a tender in New Delhi. And I have recently had another match between HopeTech. HopeTech is at the toll collecting company, National Toll Collecting Company, to work with Punch Floyd in India to put up a proposal for the whole All India toll collection system. And I have recently asked United Engineers to join hand with Punch Floyd Construction Division so that we can go in for more tenders in India. Several people have approached me. They feel that Malaysia has got very good contractors. So these contractors must be given opportunities to go out and work. And some of the Arab companies have approached me asking whether I could put up a marriage between them. I said I'm always ready to put up the marriage because I've got so many fellas married. And and with this, I think we will be able, if Malaysian contractors are capable enough to look forward and then move out of Malaysia to do job, there are a lot of jobs that we can do and they can show their capacity and capability. It is my son's own decision to have the political career. He is very upset all this while I didn't assist him. So it is up to Dato Palni to assist him. I don't have any role in the party. I'm only an ordinary member. I don't think life has ended yet. We got too many things to do. I will do many other things. To me, getting out of the MIC as a president doesn't mean that I can't help the Indian community. I'll continue serving the Indian community wherever I am. Whenever they need me, I'll be always answering their call.